everyone! So today we are cutting our side windows on the sliding door and in the back, and this is our plan how we're going to do it. First of all, we're gonna put small holes all around the edge to mark the size of the window. Later we're gonna put painting tape all around the edge, which we're gonna cut to prevent any damage. After taking out the metal, we're gonna use the magnet to collect all the metal dust around the edges and use the primer. There are a few different types of gluing the window to the car. We saw that some people are putting glue on the car and some people are putting glue on the windows. So our strategy is put the glue on the windows, but before that we're gonna use primer on the metal, so it's gonna be sticking better. To put glue properly and prevent any leaking, we decided to rent an electric glue gun, so it's gonna help us to put even and straight line all around the window and hope there won't be any leaks. After putting our windows, we're gonna leave our car for 1 or 2 days steady to make sure that the windows are sticking really well to the car, and then we're gonna just check if there is any leaking or not. So see how it goes. I just made a few holes in the sides to mark the edge of the cutting area, and now we have these 2 beautiful windows. As you can see, we have 2 holes in the side of our van, and now we just need to prepare the metal, prevent the rust, and later we're gonna clean everything and put the primer. As you can see, guys, we put both our windows. Now we're just waiting for about 3 hours without any moving the car. And after a few days we're gonna check if there are any leaks or not.